I'm not one to really make videos about plugins specifically, because there are a lot of other great channels out there who do that and kind of manage that domain, if you will. However, given that being said, there is one heck of an awesome bundle deal that is currently on Superhyve, formerly known as Blender Market, that I just had to make a video about. I purchased it yesterday because I saw it on a couple of those channels that I was mentioning. Inspiration Toots is one, and then Ask NK is another one. Those are the two I mainly watch because they do have really good. They just bring things up in your visibility, on your radar, if you will, like good plugins that help make your workflow a lot easier in Blender. So I go to Superhyve and I go and find this bundle, and I purchased it yesterday, and I've been going through some of the videos, and my goodness, this is one phenomenal deal. It's like $30. And there are a couple of courses on here that are really expensive just by themselves. And then I did notice as well that there were some of these courses on here that were in my wish list already. I was just too frugal to purchase them at the moment until I really needed them for work. Like if I came across something I absolutely knew nothing about, and there's some aspects of Blender I just don't, I mean, I know what it is, I just don't know how to do it because I've never had to do it, and just, it ain't paying the bills yet. Let's just say that. However, I do want to learn it. So, and a couple of these courses on here I own already, like Intro to Motion Graphics by Ducky 3D, which is a really good one. I bought that course some years ago, but this is a really, really great bundle. And the only reason why I'm doing this little quick video is I just want to bring it to your attention. If you're the type of Blender artist who wants to invest in your future learning other than just watching YouTube videos, because for me personally, the YouTube videos are great for very niche specific things. However, I've really learned more in the deep understanding of things in Blender by doing really two major things. One is being in Blender almost every day at some point, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or hours, right? And that way you learn by doing. Secondly, has been some courses that I've taken that are very focused on a particular linear track, and those things have helped me the most. The other thing I'll say about this course, I've noticed that I think was really smart, whoever came up with the courses that are in here, is these courses are laid out in such a way that it kind of teaches you a good amount of everything about Blender. It's got a little bit of everything here. It's got sculpting, it's got modeling, it's got animation, it's got rigging, it's got VFX, it's got hard surface modeling specifically, it's got lighting. Pretty awesome. And then like motion graphics. And there's a lot of GeoNode stuff in here, it looks like, with buildings. There's a beginner courses in here. There's one that I'm actually looking forward to getting into, actually today after I finish recording this. And that's about it. But anyway, I just want to bring this to your attention. The thing is $30, man. You can't beat it. And some of the courses are old, like done in older versions of Blender. I would suggest that you go, in worst case scenario, you download an older version of Blender and follow along, because the material is still going to be applicable. There might be some minutia in terms of Blender and what you click on to get there, but overall the information is, I would imagine, still valid. So I think if it wasn't, they would not have put it in here. I haven't gone through all these classes. I can't say that for sure, but common sense thinking, it just makes sense that they wouldn't even bother putting it in here if the information wasn't applicable. Anyway, just wanted you guys to know. Enjoy, take care, happy blendering. See you on the next video. Bye.